Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by locking the essentials: a clear short script, a TTS engine, and a project folder. Choose a voice and language first. This shapes pacing and tone. Once done, export a short test line to evaluate naturalness and pronunciation. Make sure to adjust speed, pitch, and pauses now because they are harder to correct later. You should also choose file naming conventions and a simple timeline layout so your workflow stays fast and repeatable. You break the script into manageable lines and add punctuation to guide the TTS inflection. That controls breaths and rhythm. Then generate individual audio clips so you can re-record or tweak one sentence without redoing everything. Once you have clean WAV or high bitrate MP3 files, normalize levels and remove breaths or clicks. Next, place audio on your timeline, align cuts to phrasing, and add captions and corresponding visuals to reinforce each spoken idea. This improves retention and watch time. You finalize by applying subtle EQ and compression so the voice sits well over music. Use a limiter to prevent clipping. Export in the platform-preferred format and frame size, then upload with a descriptive title, timestamps, and subtitles for accessibility. Make sure to review playback on desktop and mobile. If the TTS sounds robotic, add short pauses, tweak punctuation, or try a different voice model. This single adjustment often converts a stiff reading into a natural-sounding narration.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.